Wow, beautiful brush pen colors. Brown color, light blue color, orange color, deep blue color, light green color, grey color, yellow color, deep pink color, purple color, black color, turquoise color, deep green color, white color, and red color. Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I'll learn you how to draw different types of fruits. Here I'm drawing all the healthy fruits. Let's follow me and try to draw with me. Here I draw the strawberry. Now I'm drawing banana. And this is watermelon. Now I'm drawing cherry. And here I'm drawing the apple. And this is called pear. Drawing is complete. Let's start to coloring. Here I'm using light green color. This is red color. Banana is yellow color. Kids, do you eat healthy fruits? You should eat healthy fruits every day. This is good for health. Now I'm coloring the watermelon. Black color. This is red color. Here I'm using light green color, yellow color, and this is deep green color. I'm again using here deep green color. This is red color. Cherry is always red color. Brown color, light green color, and again red color. Apple is also red color. Here I'm using the deep green color. And the pear is light green color. Wow, all the fruits are looking so beautiful. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.